Overview. The Mercedes-AMG G63, a familiar sight on the streets of Beverly Hills today, traces its origins to 1979, when the original G-Class SUV was designed as a no-nonsense military off-roader. Over time, the G63 gained fame for its distinctive boxy design, upscale interior, bold twin-turbo V8 engine, and remarkable off-road capabilities. This high-performance, all-terrain luxury SUV carries a storied legacy, derived from the more understated Mercedes-Benz G550. The current G63 houses a 577-horsepower twin-turbo V8 engine under the hood. Paired with all-wheel drive and a 9-speed automatic transmission as standard, it's as adept at conquering a drag strip as it is navigating rugged mountain trails. And after tackling both, it's equally at home making a statement at a high-end valet stand. The only potential downside is its six-figure price tag, a reflection of its exceptional blend of luxury, performance, and audacious style. What's new for 2025? The 2025 G63 receives subtle styling updates aimed at improving its aerodynamics. These include a redesigned grille and front bumper, reshaped A-pillars, and a discrete roof spoiler above the windshield to enhance airflow. Under the hood, the twin-turbo V8 is now paired with a 48-volt hybrid system, and an optional hydraulic adaptive suspension system is available for improved ride dynamics. AMG has enhanced the G63's off-road prowess, equipping it with improved wheel articulation and introducing new all-terrain driving modes. The G Professional package is now an option, offering more rugged off-road equipment and exclusive interior accents. All models feature upgraded infotainment, with the latest MBUX interface making its debut in the G-Class. This system includes off-road specific features, such as a 360-degree camera that provides a view of the terrain directly beneath the vehicle. Engine, transmission, and performance. The G63 is powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine producing 577 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. While aided by a 48-volt hybrid system, this setup doesn't enable electric-only driving. A 9-speed automatic transmission delivers power to the all-wheel drive system, branded as 4MATIC by Mercedes, which includes low-range and triple locking differentials, center, front, and rear, for optimal traction in off-road conditions. AMG refines the suspension to balance the added power for on-road driving without compromising off-road prowess. The switch to an independent front suspension improves performance compared to the previous generation's solid front axle. However, the top-heavy design and a tightly regulated stability control system limit cornering grip to 0.75 grams on a 300-foot skid pad. While other high-performance SUVs may excel on pavement, few can rival the G63's off-road capabilities, fuel economy, and real-world MPG. Fuel efficiency is not a strong suit of the G63, and the addition of a hybrid system and aerodynamic tweaks likely won't significantly improve its EPA ratings, which stand at 13 mpg in the city and 16 mpg on the highway for the current model. Once we have the opportunity, we'll take the G63 on our 75-mile-per-hour highway fuel economy test and provide updated real-world results. For more details about G-Class fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. While the G-Class retains its iconic boxy exterior, the interior is a showcase of premium materials and advanced technology typical of the Mercedes lineup. Standard features include leather upholstery, a 12.0-inch digital instrument cluster, cup holders, and a surround view camera system. Heated front and rear seats, along with an AMG leather-wrapped steering wheel, further enhance the luxury experience. Taller occupants will appreciate the ample headroom and legroom available in both the front and rear seats. At the rear, the side-hinged cargo door featuring a mounted full-size spare tire requires some effort to operate as there's no power liftgate. Behind the rear seats, there are 38 cubic feet of cargo space, which expands to nearly 69 cubic feet when the 60/40ths split-folding seats are lowered. Infotainment and connectivity. The G63 is equipped with a 12.3-inch infotainment display powered by Mercedes' MBUX system. Standard features include Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, navigation, a Burmester surround sound system, 3 12-volt power outlets, and a household-style AC outlet in the cargo area. Additionally, buyers receive a 3-year subscription to Mercedes-Benz's connected car services, offering features such as remote engine start and stolen vehicle tracking. Optional upgrades include Wi-Fi connectivity and a rear seat entertainment system with dual 11.6-inch touchscreens capable of streaming video and browsing the web. The 2025 G63 is expected to arrive at Mercedes-AMG dealerships in the second half of 2024. Additionally, an electric G-Class model is now available and reviewed separately. Pricing and which one to buy. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 is expected to have a starting price of around $190,000, with fully loaded versions reaching up to $210,000, depending on the trim and options selected. While every G63 comes equipped with 20-inch wheels, adaptive dampers, a front brush guard, leather upholstery, heated front and rear seats, and 3-zone climate control, many buyers view its base price as just the starting point for customization. The Manufacturer Personalization Program offers extensive options for tailoring the G63 to individual tastes, and AMG is known for accommodating almost any bespoke request, provided the budget allows. During initial testing, the optional hydraulic adaptive suspension impressed with its ability to deliver a smoother ride in both on- and off-road scenarios. 0 to 60 miles per hour times. Despite its hefty 5,800 pound weight, the 2019 G63 sprinted to 60 miles per hour in an impressive 3.9 seconds in C/D testing. Although the 2025 model now features a 48-volt hybrid system, we don't expect it to be quicker. Once testing of the 2025 G63 is complete, we'll update this story with the results. Towing and payload capacity. The G63 boasts a maximum towing capacity of 7,716 pounds and comes equipped with Trailer Stability Assist software. While it's unlikely that most owners will use a G63 as their primary tow vehicle, the capability is there if needed. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63, a post on wheels. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 isn't simply an extravagance SUV. It's an assertion of force, capacity, and, in particular, security. Based on a tradition of roughness and refined over ages, the G63 encapsulates Mercedes-Benz's obligation to designing vehicles that focus on the prosperity of their inhabitants. A large number of standard security highlights. The 2025 G63 shows up completely furnished, with a far-reaching setup of standard security highlights intended to expect and moderate possible perils. This incorporates versatile journey control. This framework avoids the vehicle ahead, consequently changing velocity to match traffic stream. Programmed crisis slowing down. In case of an unavoidable crash, the G63 can naturally apply the brakes, possibly keeping away from or relieving the effect. Vulnerable side checking. Cautions the driver to vehicles in their vulnerable sides, improving mindfulness and forestalling expected mishaps during path changes. Path-keeping help. Tenderly aids the vehicle back into its path, assuming that it begins to float unexpectedly, assisting with forestalling path takeoffs. Dynamic brake help. This framework can identify possible crashes with people on foot or different vehicles and start crisis slowing down if vital. 360-degree camera framework gives a 10,000-foot perspective of the vehicle's environmental factors, helping with leaving moves and rough terrain route. Dynamic park help. This framework can consequently guide the vehicle into equal or opposite parking spots, lessening the driver's responsibility and the gamble of leaving disasters. Pre-safe framework. This proactive security framework readies the vehicle and tenants for an expected impact by fixing safety belts, shutting windows, and changing seats to a more secure position. Improved security with discretionary elements. For those looking for a much more significant level of well-being, the 2025 G63 offers a scope of discretionary elements that further improve its defensive capacities. Versatile voyage control with path focusing. This exceptional framework not just avoids the vehicle ahead yet, in addition effectively focuses the G63 in its path, offering extra help during runaway driving.